Everyone, welcome to another facts video. So in this video also we are going to look top 5 interesting facts. So without no late, we'll start fact number 1. So fact number 1, do you know why a hole present on a pen cap? So this is present to don't get trouble if any person swallows it, and they don't get any trouble to circulate of air. So some people like small kids swallow this into our esophagus, so they don't get any trouble with this pen hole cap. So the air circulates through this, that's why a hole cap present on a pen cap. Fact number 2, yeah, most of the people drinks water in standing position. Some people even drink water in sitting position. So now there is time to speak about this fact. So when you drink water in sitting position, it don't takes any trouble in your body, and when you drink water in standing position, it affects your main kidneys and even lungs. So do you know, guys, in this fact number 3, it will be so interesting because we know every shark kills humans in movies. So but in some cases, human too kills sharks. So human kills sharks and sharks kills humans. Even sharks cares about humans, guys. So how as humans caring about sharks? Cause sharks kills humans in number 594 humans died at sharks, and humans kill sharks in number 1774 at 1 week. This is the number of deaths of sharks and humans. So sharks attack only when they get confused or tension. So sharks only attacks us at that time. Fact number 4, most of the people watching this video, everyone come to know piranha fishes are danger. So everyone knows piranha fishes are danger. So but it is danger in only movies, not in reality life. So think, if you fall in a piranha's pound, what happens to you? So nothing happens. Piranhas, they think like this food is very bigger than they. So piranhas very small in size, and they don't attack large items such humans. So piranhas attacks as sharks only when they confuse or get tension. So fact number 5, there is a great smoke in 1952 at London which shocks your mind, and that smoke was very dense so that you can't see even your legs. So this fact may be interesting. So this smoke kills 4,000 people. So you think the people died to inhaling this smoke and they fail lung and they die? So not this. Actually 4,000 people died because they falls in a manholes, and accidents of vehicles, and even some people falls in ponds or rivers. So in this way 4,000 people lost their lives at London in 1952. So guys, now the video ends comes. So if you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to Wonder Facts channel. So like, share and subscribe and even comment, and That's all. Thank you so much for watching. So until then, take care. Bye everyone.